guys, welcome back to Mara's channel. Okay, sorry, my brother's just being so rude. I know, I can raise a paw for that. And I'm eating dinner, and it's like night outside, and today, you can see the background. My daddy's working on the fireplace. She's gonna holler, I'm gonna come in. Okay, tomorrow they're not gonna come, but tomorrow night I get to go to the library, and also I get to do the craft. And I am sorry that happened last time too. He's just so dumb. Okay. I know I have a basement cup. I know it's cold. Ooh, here's the binoculars. After I do a craft at the library, I get to hunt for and spiders. Just kidding. Did you see that? Okay, I'm gonna eat my dinner. And my little phone has a face on it. So fun. Okay, my brother's next to me. He has the same thing as me.
Don't you dare show my spaghetti.
And there it is. So yummy and tasty. Here's mine. Mine is in a little container. Actually, you should go on the sanitizer. I'm just going to drink my water. Mine tastes like cranberry juice. I had cranberry juice Oh, wow! That was fun. Okay, can you see me? Can you see my face? Can you see my face, guys? Oh, that's not moved. Can you see my face? Now can you see my face now? Now can you see my face now? I don't know if you can see my face. Can you see my finger? That looks better. That looks like a glove. Okay, guys. Here's my delicious spaghetti. And let's go see my squishies.
You need to eat 2 more.
And here's Nick. He has the spaghetti and soup. That was my mistake. Just kidding.
You need to eat, sweetie. It's almost bath time.
I know, Mom. She said we need to eat. Almost bath time. And, let's do it. And he wrote a note for our elf. First, squishy. Let's do my eye bloom peach.
I forgot to tell you, tomorrow night, me and Mara are going to the Peters Library at 6:30. They're having an elf on the shelf, like little
Back, butt cheek.
They're gonna make an elf on the shelf craft. They're gonna watch a movie, tell stories, like I'm gonna show you. And then you get to the girl last year. It's like a little bit of then if you decide you don't want to do it,
I'm gonna go get that. So
the Samson version.
now this is done. So I lined up all my squishies. You see, there's Nick up there.
Earth one that I gave you.
Nick, I don't eat that.
The Earth one that shows everything.
And here's all my squishies.
Right.
Peach, strawberry. Okay, let's show them off. We showed them. Here's the peach.
Nikki,
No.
get off the leg like that. You're gonna do it.
Here's the strawberry.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey.
Strawberries, very slow wrapping. Come on, let me finish it.
Oh, it's gonna work.
Get away.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Nick, get off. You're ruining. He is ruining my video.